is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, I want you guys to take a sip of your drink. I'm drinking a hot tea. A nice breathe easy hot tea. I want you to smash the like button. I want you to hit the bell to be notified when I make these videos. And I want you to leave a comment, and I want you to let me know what you guys are trading, what you think about Bitcoin, what you think is going to happen next. So these are the charts here for Bitcoin. This is what I've been looking at. We're in some kind of descending pattern here. We're in this little channel. We've been moving sideways, trying to keep testing past 31,500. Once we hit it, we get rejected, and then it's just kind of squirrely at that point. And we start hitting all of these different support levels, like super low down in 29.8 here. We hit it at 29.8 here, and then we went as low as 29.5. And then we hit 29.8, and then also 29.8 again. And now we went back up, and you see here, this happened just the other day, and we had this like scammy type wick where we got a lot of different long positions that probably got liquidated and got stomped out in this wick, because you can see it just went up super high, and it was overnight, and then it quickly crashed down all the way to 29.8 and then sorry, I don't know, 29.7. So it was actually 29.6. The close on that was the low on that was 29.682. Yeah, man. So it was a lot of, it seemed like some type of manipulation. And with all of these different institutions that are trying for these ETFs, yeah, I mean, it's hard to catch the price movements here in what's happening, just because there are a lot of different factors that are going into the cryptocurrency market as a whole. We have lawsuits happening with the biggest exchanges. We have ETFs trying to be filed and getting canceled and having to be refiled and restructured. We just have a lot of things happening that are going to play a role in the price. And we have, the halving event that's coming up. There's a lot of different things that are happening. So if we want to get into just the overall market, let's get into crypto bubbles here. And we can see that overall let's look at the daily. We have Caspa up 11%, Casper 4%, Shiba Inu up 2.3%, Radix up 2.3%, Avalanche up almost 3%, Mana Decentraland up 2.6%, Chili's up almost 3%, Aave 5.7%. We have Hex at 5%. We have Solana at 9.2%, Arbitrum at 5.3%. And so we can see that kind of the overall altcoin market is starting to pick up some steam, and we might be ending the summer with some good gains with the altcoins, and looking into the price action of Bitcoin. If we do break that resistance level at 31,500, then we can see some altcoin movement as well after the fact, because then once Bitcoin goes up, then kind of we see the rest of the market move up with it. We still kind of tail along with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin moves, the market moves, and it's the same with Ethereum. Ethereum moves, we start seeing a lot of the underlying layer twos under Ethereum start to pump as well. So I think key levels to look for with Ethereum is going above that $2,000 level, and Bitcoin going above the 31,500 level. So if we want to get into the news here, we can see that BTC is defending that 30K after BlackRock refiled its spot Bitcoin ETF application. And we are going to look at the main highlights of the crypto week. So we had 13% of all Litecoin in circulation has been unmoved for 5 years. So I've been talking a lot about Litecoin. We have the Litecoin halving is coming up. The block halving on August 5th, and that's a big event. And if you guys aren't using this website here, it's called Coin Market Calendar, coinmarketcal.com. And this is where you can look and see what cryptocurrencies and projects are having different events. Like, for instance, here, Loopring on July 8th are having some type of scaling event. Floki is hosting a Twitter Spaces. World Mobile Token, which is a Cardano smart contract token. They're having an early staking snapshot. So let's see, a Bit4x listing for this Meet People. We have Bit4x listing for Veracity. You know, there's all kinds of things that you can keep up with here. So yeah, in other crypto news here in the week, we got GBTC discount narrows to 27% for the first time since May 2022. Here's why. Grayscale's flagship fund went through highly unfavorable periods last year when the discount rates dumped to almost 50%. However, there's an evident resurgence following the recent ETF filings, and that discount has narrowed to 27% for the first time in over a year. So we have Bitfinex returns portions of assets stolen from 2016 hacks. So the popular crypto exchange was hacked 7 years ago, but it announced earlier this week that the United States Department of Homeland Security has recovered over $300,000, which will go to the holders of the recovery right tokens. So that's awesome. BlackRock's BTC ETF filing could democratize crypto, CEO Larry Fink says. Speaking at the world's largest asset manager and its spot BTC ETF filing, the company's CEO also weighed in on the matter, praising that the cryptocurrency over gold, and highlighting his firm's product application. And then we have Cameron Winklevoss issues a 3-day ultimatum to DCG's Barry Silbert threatens lawsuit. So the president of the crypto exchange Gemini issued an official 3-day ultimatum to Silbert regarding DCG's failure to make Gemini earn users whole. As the ultimatum has passed now, it would be interesting to see if Winklevoss will follow through on his warnings. And then also we have Celsius and former CEO Alex Mashinsky violated U.S. law, says CFTC spokesman. An anonymous spokesperson from the CFTC claimed that Celsius Network's former CEO Alex Mashinsky has indeed violated local laws, and there could be a lawsuit in the making against him and the company he founded years ago. I can agree with that. These people think they can get away with stealing our hard-earned money, and also, you know, we got to watch out for, you know, other people and influence that are trying to basically act like they're tribuning for the whole entire space when they themselves made a lot of money by promoting these projects like Celsius, and they didn't make out as bad as the average investor did. So just remember that, guys. All right, so that's all I got for this video. If you want to smash up the likes, leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching my videos and being in this community. I have some awesome things coming up. Next week, I will be on Wendy O's show. I was supposed to go on a few weeks ago, but we had to do some rescheduling, so I will be going on. It will be on the 14th, Friday. And I'll have to get on the exact time, but if you follow me on Twitter, you can go to my Twitter page at Dano Crypto 904, and some other quick news. If we go back, we can see that one of the altcoins that I was talking about just 6 hours ago, Phantom. We are pleased to recognize and support USDC, USDT, Wrapped ETH, and Wrapped BTC by using the XLR Core network. So with that, they are able to do cross-chain network transactions in Web3, and introducing these stable coins is huge on Phantom, and If you guys have watched my previous video, that is one of my top 5 picks there for my altcoins, and I'll ding that video right there. So that's all I got for you guys. Have a wonderful Saturday. I will see you guys early Sunday morning for a early coffee live stream. I'll see you then. Peace.